You search for invoicing software, 3 names keep coming up: Everhour, Invoice2go, Zoho Invoice. Everhour promises time tracking that converts directly into invoices with real-time project profitability, insights, and deep integration with over 50 project management tools. Invoice2go promises mobile-first invoicing with built-in payment processing so you can create and send professional invoices from your phone. Zoho Invoice promises completely free invoicing forever with unlimited users, unlimited invoices, and up to 1,000 customers. Seems straightforward. Then you dig deeper. Everhour forces you to pay for time tracking, even if you only need invoicing. Invoice2go's lowest tier is severely restrictive. And Zoho Invoice's advanced features have a learning curve that the word free does not prepare you for. Here's what the pricing pages don't mention. Everhour is primarily a time tracking tool that generates invoices from tracked hours. It embeds directly into Asana, ClickUp, Trello, Notion, and over 50 other project management platforms. The invoicing workflow converts logged time into billable invoices with integration into accounting software. Real-time project profitability tracking shows whether projects are on budget before they are complete. Team visibility features show who is working on what and how time is being allocated across clients and projects. For project-based businesses that bill clients by the hour and need time tracking flowing directly into invoices with profitability analysis built in, Everhour connects those steps more tightly than standalone invoicing tools can. But Everhour is a time tracker first and an invoicing tool second. If you only need invoicing without time tracking, you are paying for functionality you will not use. The minimum monthly commitment means small teams and solo practitioners pay a premium relative to what they actually need. The free plan caps at 5 users with limited features. The standalone experience without a project management integration is significantly weaker than the embedded version. And for businesses that invoice based on fixed project fees rather than hourly billing, the time to invoice workflow solves a problem they do not have. Everhour makes sense when time tracking and invoicing are genuinely connected in your billing model. But if invoicing is the primary need, you are paying for the wrong tool. So what about invoicing designed for mobile-first workers? Invoice2go is now owned by Bill.com and positions itself as a mobile-first invoicing platform for contractors, field service workers, and independent professionals who need to create and send invoices from their phone. The mobile app experience is the standout. Professional, customizable invoice, templates, built-in payment processing so clients can pay directly from the invoice, estimate creation for quoting jobs before starting work, and a unique feature that lets you request customer reviews directly within the invoice, which helps service professionals build their online reputation alongside their billing workflow. For mobile workers who create invoices on job sites, in vehicles, or between appointments, Invoice2go puts that workflow in your pocket. But the cost relative to the feature set is the consistent criticism. The lowest tier is severely restrictive, limiting invoice volume in ways that working professionals quickly exceed. Customer service response times are criticized as slow when issues arise. Customization options are fewer than competitors offer. The platform lacks time tracking integration, which means mobile workers who bill by the hour need a separate tool for that function. And for anyone who does not specifically need mobile-first invoicing, the platform offers less for more compared to alternatives that include the same invoicing capabilities for free or as part of a broader package. Invoice2go is genuinely excellent as a mobile invoicing tool, but the premium for that mobile experience is hard to justify when free alternatives include comparable invoicing with more features. So what about comprehensive invoicing at no cost at all? Zoho Invoice is part of the broader Zoho ecosystem and offers something rare in the invoicing market. It is completely free, not a trial, not a limited freemium tier. Free forever with unlimited users, unlimited invoices, and support for up to 1,000 customers. Multi-currency invoicing is included for international businesses. Automated payment reminders chase overdue invoices without manual follow-up. A client portal lets customers view and pay invoices online, and basic time tracking is included at no additional cost. For bootstrapped startups, freelancers, and small businesses that need professional invoicing without any financial commitment, Zoho Invoice removes the cost barrier entirely while delivering features that competitors charge for. But free does not mean frictionless. Reporting customization is limited compared to paid alternatives. Advanced features like custom recurring invoices are tricky to set up properly. The interface can feel complex compared to simpler tools, particularly for users who only need basic invoicing without the full feature depth. The learning curve for the platform's complete capabilities takes time that users expecting a simple free tool may not anticipate. And being part of the broader Zoho ecosystem means occasional prompts to explore other Zoho products. Zoho Invoice does more than most paid competitors, but accessing that depth requires patience that the clean sign-up process does not signal. Zoho Invoice is the most feature-rich free invoicing platform available, but the complexity beneath the free label means it works best for users willing to invest time learning it properly. Right, so here's where I land. Everhour is the time to invoice pick. If your business bills clients by the hour and you need track time converting directly into invoices with real-time profitability insights, Everhour connects those steps more tightly than either competitor. The project management integrations mean time tracking happens inside your existing workflow rather than requiring a separate step. Budget monitoring prevents overruns before invoicing begins. For project-based businesses between 5 and 50 people using Asana, ClickUp, or Trello, where billable hours drive revenue, Everhour delivers genuine value that standalone invoicing tools cannot replicate. But if you do not bill by the hour, do not use a supported project management tool, or only need invoicing without time tracking, you are paying for capabilities you will not use. Best for project-based teams that bill clients by the hour, already use a supported project management tool, and need time tracking and invoicing tightly integrated. Invoice2go is the mobile invoicing pick. If you create invoices on job sites, between appointments, or anywhere away from a desk, the mobile experience is the best in this comparison by a considerable margin. Professional templates, built-in payment processing, estimate creation, and the ability to request customer reviews directly within invoices serve mobile workers in ways that desktop-first tools simply do not address. For contractors, tradespeople, and field service professionals whose invoicing happens on the move rather than at a computer, Invoice2go puts that entire workflow in your pocket with a polished interface designed for smaller screens, but the restrictive lowest tier, slower customer service, fewer customization options, and higher cost relative to feature depth make it difficult to recommend for anyone who invoices primarily from a computer. Best for mobile-first workers like contractors and field service professionals who create invoices away from a desk and value built-in payment processing. Zoho Invoice is the zero-cost pick. Completely free forever with unlimited users, unlimited invoices, multi-currency support, automated payment reminders, a client portal, and basic time tracking included. No other option in this comparison matches that feature set at zero cost. For bootstrapped startups, freelancers, and small businesses that need professional invoicing without any financial commitment, Zoho Invoice is the only answer that removes budget from the equation entirely. But the limited reporting customization, tricky recurring invoice setup, complex interface for simple needs, and learning curve for advanced features mean it demands more patience than the price suggests. Best for budget-conscious businesses of any size that need comprehensive invoicing at no cost and are willing to invest time learning the platform's full capabilities. One integrated but overkill. One mobile but expensive. One free but complex. Every choice is a trade-off. At least now you know what you're trading.